What's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea, and yes, I said YT homies. I miss saying YT homies, so I'm bringing the YT homies back to this new channel. And in this video, I'm just gonna chit chat about a couple of things, not too much, and I'm gonna show you how I created this look right here, this basic, simple, everyday look. Basic, simple, everyday look. I did my brows offline, and now I'm just priming my lid. I tell myself every time I turn around, do your foundation first. Try doing your foundation first, but it's something about doing the foundation first. It's like I can't bring myself to do my foundation first. So this is the palette I have been using all week. It is the Morphe 25D palette, and that is the palette that I'm going to use this morning. And I mean, it's an all-in-one. Everything in here can be used for this eye look and anything else. I don't need to use colors anywhere else. And I normally don't do all matte looks, but I bought this palette a couple of months ago, and I have really been wanting to just see what I can get out of it and totally utilize this palette, because it's like, I don't know, bomb.com. So I think I'll put the colors up, but I'm just going to tell you what I'm using. This color right here is called Derek. But anyway, let's see, what do I want to talk about today? So y'all, I have been super duper tired. I don't know whether my body realizes it is time for another break or what. And I know we just had a holiday break. We just had Thanksgiving. That was a week, of course, for us. But, you know, other school districts get a fall break and some other breaks in between. But we don't. We just get, you know, Thanksgiving, we get Christmas, and then we get spring. Now we do have a teacher planning day or something or another like that that's mixed in between, but as far as like a couple of days together, we don't get that here. And you know, we need something like that here. We do. We definitely do. So I mean, but I'm used to not having it, so you know, it's not like I'm just waiting on them to add it. And I'm gonna take a color called Mace. It's called Mace. I'm going to put that in my crease right here. Just to darken up my crease a bit. Like I said, this palette right here, I've never been a person to just do all matte looks, but yeah, I mean, I'm liking this one. I'm liking this one. So I'm going to go back in with the other brush, and I'm not putting anything on it. I just want to go in and make sure that I get out any lines of demarcation. So the other day I was in the grocery store, and I was getting a couple of items, and I needed to get some sandwich bags. And when I was getting the sandwich bags, I'm about to put a color in my crease called Daniel. But when I was getting the sandwich bags, I got regular sandwich bags, but I also saw extra large sandwich bags. So I'm sitting up there like, okay, since when do we have extra large sandwiches? Because why do we need extra large sandwich bags? That is getting into close to the quart size. You know, I know we have the snack size bags, and then there are the sandwich bags, but there was an extra large sandwich bag. I mean, do we have extra large bread now? Don't tell me we have Texas toast, because I know we have Texas toast, but we've been had Texas toast and we didn't have an extra large sandwich bag. So that's kind of crazy to me to have an extra large sandwich bag. I know someone probably won't agree with me, but an extra large sandwich bag, I think, is just overkill. So now I'm going to take a color called Timmy, and I'm going to go in here and use this color just to diffuse all of this out. I only put just a small amount on my brush. Okay, y'all, so you know my upload schedule on this channel is Monday and Thursday. And this Monday, I had a video that I was going to put up, but the video was not the best quality, so I was like, I'm not going to put this video up. So that's how come I missed Monday, and I'm hoping that this video is really good, because I haven't had time to sit down and record because I've been tired, and plus I've been dealing with having to pick a pumpkin from basketball practice or basketball game or something. So that kind of dips into time. So I mean, getting adjusted to this basketball schedule thing. Alright, so I'm going to take this same brush, and I'm going to take this color called Hendrix, and I'm just going to use this to go over my brow bone just a little bit, just to highlight my brow bone and sort of set that concealer that I put up there. when I was defining my eyebrows. For my lid color, I'm going to take a color called Benji and put it on my lid. Alright, so let me tell y'all what happened the other day. Now, for those of you that are new to me in this channel, I've lost 115 pounds. I've lost 115 pounds, and over the summer I had a tummy tuck because I had some stomach left, and so I got it cut off. Alright, so that's a little bit of history. But anyway, so people at work have seen me with this transition and lose weight and stuff like that. People have said things like I've done really good, but then there are others that kind of go a little too far. And I'm going to go back with this color, Daniel, in the crease a little bit. I want to put a little bit more back in the crease. Anyway, so the other day I had like one of those little Debbie snack cake oatmeal pies. Just one. And one of my colleagues passes by, sees my oatmeal cake in my hand, and snatches it out of my hand and walks off with it. So I'm like, what in the whole entire messiness is going on? So she said she took it because she's trying to help me or whatever, but I didn't like that. And it's not because of, okay, you took my oatmeal pie, but the fact that you came and you took something out of my hand that belonged to me. And I am a grown woman. I am a grown woman, over 40 years old, as I love to say. I am a grown woman, and you took something out of my hand that I was going to eat, telling me that, you know, telling me that I didn't need it. And you're trying to help me. When did I ask for the help? You know, that's the thing. When did I ask for the help? So, I mean, that just didn't sit too well with me when she did that. I am going to put on some lashes. I don't put on lashes normally for work, but I am going to put on some today. But to get my lashes prepped, I guess you could say I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of mascara. Just one coat of mascara. Because I am going to put some lashes on. I don't know why, but for some reason I usually don't care for wearing lashes to work. I don't know what it is about it. I guess to me, lashes kind of bring an extra to your look, and I kind of don't be wanting that extra to my look on a daily basis at work, I guess. I gotta go wake up my child. So it's too funny. I go to wake up Pumpkin, and Bae's like, who you in there talking to? I'm like, I'm recording. Get out of my business. So anyway, this is my Too Faced foundation in the color Brulee. Yeah, in the color Brulee. I have been loving this foundation. I have been absolutely loving it. I had to change because of my from the Butter Pecan to the Brulee because of my complexion change. But this one is pretty good. I like it. Well, I mean the color, what I'm saying. But the foundation, if you've been on my channel, on my other channel, let me stop saying that. If you've been following me on my other channel, then you know that this Too Faced Born This Way foundation has been like, oh my gosh. Now, I'm going to be honest, there are some foundations that I still haven't tried. That people try, like Lancome, Clinique, all that. I started off with MAC. I've gotten, what is it, Becca foundation. I really like Becca foundation. And then, you know, the Too Faced. But it's been MAC, Becca, Fenty, Too Faced. And right now, I would have to say the Too Faced Born This Way is my favorite. Even in the summer, it was like my favorite. And I'm a combination oily skin girl. And I know some people felt like Too Faced, the Born This Way wouldn't work for oily skin. But yeah, it has worked just fine for my oily skin. So, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. As a matter of fact, I think because with my, with my points from Ulta, or my dollars from Ulta, because Ulta's points system works different from Sephora. And oh, I just jammed myself in the eye. I hate I slept on that. Oh my god, I slept on that. So right now I have $70 to spend with Ulta, and then they have another 20% going on right now, even on the prestige items. I mean, these people are coming with the coupons. And then not only that, what is that? Sephora has $20 off of 75. It used to be 20 off of 50 if I'm not mistaken. So they changed that bad baby a little bit. I guess they said, no man, we're gonna take this up a little bit. So now it's 20 off of 75. At least I could have sworn it was 20 off of 50. I could be wrong, but I thought, because I usually use that, so I could have sworn it was 20 off of 50, but like I said, I could be wrong. And let me tell y'all, this right here, this Fenty, was it Truffle, this Fenty contour, I use it for contour. Yeah, it is a contour, duh. The contour stick. This thing, when I first got it, I did not like it. I'm just going to be totally honest, but this has been like the best contour for me. I really, really like it. I'm going to put some here, but I'm going to wait till after I blend that concealer out. But for my face, I've been going ahead and blending it out before I do my concealer. I kind of just like doing that first. But yeah, so I think I'm going to use that. And then let me tell y'all, the new collection that ColourPop came out with came out yesterday. ColourPop keeps coming out with so many collections, it's ridiculous. I mean, how many dag nabbit freaking collections do you need? But anyway, I thought that collection was so cute. I ended up buying it. Let me tell you, I ended up buying it. I bought the whole collection, and I'll tell y'all, I've never bought a whole collection. I even bought the loose highlighters, and I don't care for loose highlighters. But I just thought it was so cute. But now, this is the thing. ColourPop sells their collections with the, what do you call that? With the box. You can buy the PR box, or you can buy the whole collection without the box. And I wanted to get it with the box because I just wanted to have the entire box. But with the box, I think it was 79, 77, something like that. And the collection itself was, well, there's a $19 difference. I'm not adding right now, calculating right now, but there's a $19 difference. The collection itself was 58, I believe, and I'll get the numbers for sure. I think the collection itself was 58, marked down from 64. But with the box, it would have been $19 more. And I was like, okay, while I do want the box, I'm not paying $19 for some cardboard. I'm just not doing it. I'm not living that life. But also, let me tell y'all what I did. And I ordered from ColourPop, but I was like, okay, you know, when I was using my computer, because I had to do some changes to my computer. So, you know, when you go to a website for the first time, if they have a coupon, it bounces up on your website. And so, with me having this new email for this channel, ColourPop bounced up with, I think, save 20%, 30% or something like that for new customers. So I used my new email and I got the 20% off something. So I got the whole entire collection for like $40 something. $40 something. I got the whole collection. I was like, you can't beat that with a stick. I haven't been using my MAC NC42 lately to go under my eye, because sometimes to me, because when that MAC powder, because this one oxidizes as well. This is a MAC powder, the mineral skin finish. But with that Studio Fix, I felt like it was taking away the little bit of highlight that I had up under my eyes, which I didn't have a lot of highlight under my eyes, but I felt like it took it away, the little bit that I did have. So I've kind of not been doing that lately.
Perfect.
So on my holiday break, I definitely plan on getting me some rest, as well as I plan on, of course, you know, working out, because that's what I've been doing, been working out. This week, not so good, not so good. I'm not even going to lie. But I should have a video up tomorrow. I'm going to put on these wispy lashes from Kiss. They're a number KPE64, and it says a number 5, but I really do like these lashes. These are like my favorite lashes right now. The blush that I've been using has just been this, what is this? I think it was Rihanna and MAC Hibiscus Kiss. I've just been using this blush and kind of blending the two in together. This Becca highlighter. This is what I've been using this week. This week has kind of been the same thing. Now, I've kind of switched it up each day and played around with some of those colors, because like I said, I bought that palette, but I've been kind of sleeping on it, but I had to, you know, up my game with it. And I really do like it. And I'm going to set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So my favorite lip combo this week has been this lip color by Maybelline and my ColourPop pencil in the number K. And it's called K, not number K. But anyway, it comes out. So I have been using this, not just this week, last week. So it's my favorite one this week and last week. So I don't line my whole lip, but I line a lot of my lip, and then I put this on. This is so, I love this color. I love, love, love this color.
Perfect.
So thank you so much once again for coming to check out another one of my videos. I thank you all for subscribing to this channel. Please do go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and share this video across all your social media sites. Please help me to grow this channel. I am going to look into other ways of trying to grow the channel. Right now I only have 50 something subscribers, and I would like to definitely grow the channel. So please do help me out in sharing the video, as well as liking and commenting on the video yourself. So once again, thank you so much for coming to check out another one of my videos. I got an itch. So until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.